Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with exercise 11.1, question number 3. So you have to draw angles of the following measurements: 30 degrees, 22.5 degrees and 15 degrees. Just to let you know that for these constructions now, you will need to go through the basic constructions that we have learned. This is related to construction, basic construction 11.3 that we learned at the start of the chapter, that is constructing an angle of 60 degrees. For this one, you will need to go through question number 1, that is constructing an angle of 90 degrees, because using 90 degrees we are going to bisect it to get 45 degrees, and then we are going to further bisect 45 degrees to get 22.5 degrees. And for this one, again you will need to go through the third basic construction, that is drawing an angle of 60 degrees. So we will further bisect it to 30 degrees and bisect those 30 degrees to get 15 degrees. So let's get started with the first one. So I'm going to go with the 60 degree construction very quickly. However, you need not worry, since I'm going to explain it to you how it's done as well. The only thing is that we won't be writing it in the steps. So here I'm going to draw my initial ray AB. Then through A as the center, I'm going to cut an arc of any length such that this arc cuts ray AB at point D. Then without changing this length, I'm going to take D as my center and cut this arc at, let's say, point E. So this point of the intersection of the two arcs is E. We have learned earlier in question number 1 of this exercise that this angle EAB so formed is 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees, right? Now if I bisect this angle EAB, I will get each angle as 30 degrees. So we already have arcs for EAD. I'm going to take these arcs over here and draw 2 arcs of same length. And I will call this point of intersection of 2 arcs as F. And I will join A to F. So this angle out here, FAB, I'm just putting E over here because it will clearly denote which is E and which is F. So angle FAB is equal to 30 degrees. So I'll write the steps. Draw ray AB using A as center, cut an arc of any length on AB at point D. Now without changing this length, I'm going to cut the arc at point E. And with D as center, cut the arc at E. Right? Then join AE and bisect angle EAB. The bisector will be what? AF. 6. So you get your angle FAB is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. So since we have already done this construction, if you draw the bisector of angle FAB, you will get 15 degrees. So I will do this construction here itself only. So what we are going to do is, this was the first question for 30 degrees. We will do the construction for 15 degrees also over here because it's related. So once you have done this, you're going to bisect angle FAB. Let this point of intersection of the two arcs be G. So let's write down G over here. You will join A to G. So AG is the bisector of angle FAB. FAB is 30 degrees. Therefore, angle GAB is going to be 15 degrees. So this was question number 1. For question number 2, I will say continuing steps. So this is for question number 3 and not 2. So continuing the steps from 5th, you write your 5th step along with FAB is equal to 30 degrees. Then you will say bisect angle FAB, and you call this bisector as AG, right? Therefore, angle GAB is equal to 15 degrees. Done. So this was about the first and third questions clubbed together. Now we will go ahead and solve question number 2, which is for 22.5 degrees. For this you need to know the construction for 90 degree angle. So again you are going to draw a ray AB with initial point A. So this is A, this is B. You are going to take an arc of any length. And cut this at point C, AB at C. Now you are going to, without changing this length, see the length is the same, right? You are going to cut this arc through C into 3 equal parts. So the 3 equal parts, I will name them as DEF. Let me just do the construction, then I will mark the points. So these are my 3 points, D, E and F. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to join AD and AE. So I joined AD and AE. Now I am going to bisect this angle EAD. So we already have the initial arcs. I am bisecting it further. Let's call this point of intersection as M. And I am going to join A to M. Angle MAB is 90 degrees. So you have already drawn MAB, which is 90 degrees. Now if I bisect this angle MAB, I will get 45 degrees, and when I further bisect that angle, I will get 22.5 degrees. So I already have the initial arcs for MAB. I am going to bisect this angle now. Let's call the point of intersection of these arcs as N. Let's join AN. Now I am going to bisect angle NAB. Angle NAB is how much? 45 degrees, and angle MAN is also 45 degrees because they are the half of angle MAB, which is 90 degrees. So now bisecting angle NAB. Having the initial arcs, let's bisect the angles. Let's call this point of intersection of arc as O. Now let's join AO. So AO is 22.5 degrees. Sorry, angle OAB is 22.5 degrees. Let's write the steps. So step 1, draw ray AB. Then using A as center and any length, draw an arc intersecting AB at point C without changing the length. Divide this arc into 3 equal arcs, CD, DE and EF. Draw a right angle or bisect angle draw EA and AD, right? Bisect angle EAD such that therefore you get angle, you bisect angle EAD, let the bisector be MA. Therefore angle MAB is equal to 90 degrees. We have seen this construction earlier. Bisect angle MAB and call this bisector as AN. This was AM, right? Therefore angle NAB is equal to 45 degrees. Why? Because MAB is 90 degrees, then you're bisecting MAB and the bisector is AN. Therefore angle NAB is 45 degrees. Sixth one, bisect angle NAB and you call the bisector as AO. Therefore you get angle OAB is equal to half of 45 degrees, right, which is 22.5 degrees. So please take a look at the construction, solution, steps, everything. So here you have question number 1, sub question number 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 are included over here and the steps for 3 are continued here. This is question number 2. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.